Hi everyone, this is 6 Storm Team meteorologist Ken Weathers. Just after 9 o'clock here on this Sunday evening, I want to give you a little more in-depth look at what we're expecting as we come up through the upcoming work week, because I know a lot of people have travel plans coming up on Wednesday, and it looks like this is going to be a very active weather pattern, not just for us, but across the entire southeastern U.S. Now, temperatures are going to be quite chilly overnight. Thin clouds already starting to roll in from the west, and you just start to see a little bit of moisture there creeping into the left-hand side of your screen. That's a bigger storm system which is already making its way through portions of the Arklatex, so Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. And rain mixed with some freezing rain, sleet, and snow, that's going to be a big problem for them. Now, eventually this storm system will pull eastward and influence our weather. Now, it's quiet on Monday morning, as you can see across the area, so no concerns there. And staying dry through lunchtime into the early afternoon time frame. There's 3 o'clock. Watch what happens as we get to Monday at 6. Start to see a little bit of what looks like snow showing up. I think that is very possible, mixed with some rain across the southern valley, but keep in mind, daytime temperatures are above freezing, so whatever falls, not expected to stick around. And don't think it would last long either. This is 8 o'clock. And this is 10 o'clock, and we're already seeing the majority of this change back over to rain, and that's what will happen. The mid-levels of the atmosphere, which are a little colder initially, will warm up, and this will all be rain as we go overnight Tuesday. So there's midnight on into 7 a.m., and some of this rainfall looks locally heavy, especially along the mountains over into western North Carolina and the upstate of South Carolina. And this looks like it could continue throughout much of the day on Tuesday. As that storm system pulls away from us, colder air wraps back in, and we're starting to see that change over to snow once again. This is 6 p.m. on Tuesday. So again, some colder air continues to wrap around on in. This is 8 o'clock. We're seeing still some scattered snow showers around, albeit light. 10 o'clock, much the same, and then it really starts to taper off as we head into late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning across the area. I really think the biggest impact from this is going to be rainfall. So as we go from tomorrow morning through about midnight, we're seeing about 1/10 to 1/4 inch of rain for most areas. So pretty light amount-wise with this, not talking about a lot. But watch what happens after midnight Tuesday through the day Tuesday and ending Wednesday morning. Significant rainfall being estimated again across western North Carolina, some 2 to 3 inch plus amounts. We're seeing some 1 to 1.5 inch amounts likely, it looks like, for much of our area. So that's what really the big impact with the storm will be, is moderate to heavy rainfall. But as that colder air wraps back in, as I mentioned, I do think we will see some light snow across the area. And here's kind of what we're looking at. That first little batch I was talking about that comes in on Monday, this is from 4 o'clock on in through the evening at 11. Not much, some trace amounts possible. Again, ground's a little bit too warm for this. But the backside of this storm system, again, late Tuesday night into early Wednesday, that would be the more likely opportunity if we're going to see accumulating snows. And as you can see, it's the mountains, once again, that will be the more likely area, along with southeast Kentucky and the northern edge of the plateau. Possibly some near 1 inch amounts across the valley, but again, that's mainly going to be on grassy surfaces because the air temperatures, surface temperatures rather, are just going to be a little too warm. So we're looking at chilly night tonight, 44 degrees for Monday. Again, we'll start to see that evening mix roll in, especially along portions of the plateau up into southeast Kentucky. Chilly rain likely on Tuesday, so no travel problems expected as we go Monday night into Tuesday morning. But as we go into Wednesday morning, again, northern edge of the plateau, as this moisture moves out, could into some light snow, southeast Kentucky as well, and for the higher elevations of the Smokies. Sunshine will return, it looks like, for your Thanksgiving Thursday, which will be nice, and we'll see temperatures in the low 50s as we head into next weekend. So again, complete forecast details for you coming up tonight at 11, and of course we'll keep you updated on Facebook and Twitter as well. From the WATE 6 Storm Team, I'm meteorologist Ken Weathers.